So we got big events coming up. Today it's going to be the US Federal Reserve announcing their monetary policy, and then tomorrow we've got the ECB, the SNB, as well as UK parliamentary elections. So currencies, the FX market expected to get a bit volatile given the events that are coming up. Where exactly have retail traders positioned themselves ahead of the event? So in the case of Euro USD and the pound, general mood is majority short against the dollar, 55% and 53%, but they're quite modest levels. Safe haven, on the other hand, they're majority long dollar, and that has a lot to do with the fact that in the case of USD CHF, for example, the price dropped, and that has enticed a lot of traders, a lot of shorts into getting out and longs into holding on and average again. So extreme long bias is now at 78%. Now commodity currencies, USD CAD and AUD USD, majority short against the dollar, around 60% for both. And if we want to look at, for those of you out there who want to trade precious metals, gold and silver, the bias here is extreme long, 78%. In the case of silver, 92% and barely changing. And a part of that has to do with the fact that a lot of those longs have been initiated at higher price levels. So they're in need of a much bigger move upwards in order to be able to unwind those longs and profit. Lastly, for you oil traders, we do have EIA tonight. So where exactly have traders positioned themselves there? 62% majority short. That stands in contrast, by the way, with COT traders, larger speculative traders, according to last Friday's COT report. They are heavy to extreme long in oil based on the COT report. And also, as a side note, in terms of the COT report, larger speculative traders, they are holding a general extreme long USD bias against the rest of the currencies, with the exception, of course, of the Canadian dollar. So with that in mind, be ready. It's going to get volatile for over the next couple of days. And good luck and happy ticks.